To stop Windows Defender from deleting files, follow these steps. First, open the Windows Defender application on your computer. You can do this by searching for Windows Defender in the Start menu. Once you have opened Windows Defender, click on the Virus and Threat Protection option. This will take you to a new page where you can manage the settings for Windows Defender. On this page, click on the Manage Settings option under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize the settings for Windows Defender. Here, you can turn off the cloud-delivered protection and automatic sample submission. These features help Windows Defender to identify and delete files that it considers to be a threat. However, if you want to stop Windows Defender from deleting files, you should also add the files or folders that you do not want to be scanned to the exclusions list. To do this, scroll down to the Exclusions section and click on the Add or Remove Exclusions option. Then, click on the Add an Exclusion option and select the file or folder that you want to exclude from the scan. You can also exclude a file type or a process. After adding the exclusions, Windows Defender will not scan the files or folders that you have excluded and will not delete them. It is also important to note that while stopping Windows Defender from deleting files can be useful, in some cases, it can also pose a risk to the security of your computer. Windows Defender is designed to protect your computer from malware and other threats. So disabling it or stopping it from deleting files can leave your computer vulnerable to attacks. Therefore, it is recommended that you only stop Windows Defender from deleting files if you are certain that the files are safe and that you have a good reason for doing so. It is also recommended that you use an alternative antivirus program to protect your computer from threats. In conclusion, stopping Windows Defender from deleting files requires you to customize the settings for Windows Defender and add the files or folders that you do not want to be scanned to the exclusions list. However, this should be done with caution and only if you are certain that the files are safe.